Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix error code 0xe60000 in your Nvidia app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your search bar and type down system updates. Okay, click on check for updates. And in here, just click on this blue button. And if you have any available updates right here, go ahead and install them. Now, once that's done, don't restart your computer yet. Go ahead over to advanced options. Click on optional features or updates. Now install all available updates here as well. Okay. Install or download and install. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and restart your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, go ahead and open up your Nvidia app. Right click on it and click on Nvidia app. Or go ahead and look it up in the search bar. Now go to settings. Click on about right here. Make sure that opt-in to access beta or experimental features is disabled. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and close out this window. Restart your computer first and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, go ahead over to your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. Okay. You're going to want to type down Nvidia right here. And delete all or uninstall all Nvidia related apps. Okay. Uninstall and install. And once everything is uninstalled, you can now go ahead and go to your favorite browser and just type down Nvidia drivers. Get on enter. Now click on download the official Nvidia drivers right here. Click on gamers and creators and click on download now. Now from here, just save it wherever you want. Follow the simple prompts on how to install it. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.